Silence changes people, not because they stopped caring, but because they started seeing things differently. They finally see through the noise, gaining a clarity that was once impossible. This quiet season teaches you things the constant chatter never could. You begin to realize not everybody deserves access to you. Your peace becomes a fortress and you become its most dedicated guardian. Not every opinion deserves your attention, and not every battle deserves your energy. You learn to choose your engagements with wisdom, so you become quieter, more observant, more intentional, more focused on protecting your peace. And slowly, your standards change, your mindset changes, your energy changes. This newfound clarity realigns your purpose. You start building a life based on daily discipline, not fleeting motivation. You stop explaining yourself. You stop chasing people. You stop needing validation from those who never understood you anyway. Their approval is no longer the currency you trade in. And while the world thinks you disappeared, you were rebuilding, healing the parts of you that sought noise to feel alive, growing in resilience, finding strength not in the crowd, but in your own steady presence. You were transforming into someone stronger, calmer, and more aligned than ever before. If this message resonated with your journey, show your strength by commenting silent growth. And for more cinematic motivation to fuel your transformation, subscribe to It Is In You TV. Your next chapter is waiting.